The U.S. Food and Drug Administration on Thursday granted permission for the use of the drug lecanemab to treat Alzheimer's disease, the first drug proven effective in slowing the progression of the disease, which causes memory loss. The Centers for Healthcare and Medical Services announced on Thursday that they would cover the drug, expanding its reach to about 1 million people with early forms of the disease. Teresa Baracchio, director of the Office of Neurology at the FDA Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, said during the announcement, "Today's action is the first confirmation that a drug targeting the underlying disease process of Alzheimer's has demonstrated clinical benefit to this devastating disease. This confirmatory study proved that it is a safe and effective treatment for Alzheimer's patients." Licamp, produced by drug maker Eisai and Biogen, was expedited approved in January based on evidence that it removes the buildup of amyloid plaques in the brain associated with Alzheimer's disease. This drug is only approved for people with early forms of Alzheimer's disease, with mild cognitive impairment, or mild dementia, and for whom amyloid plaques have been confirmed in their brains. The Alzheimer's Society said in a statement Thursday that it welcomes the full approval from the Food and Drug Administration. Joanne Baiken, president and CEO of the Alzheimer's Society, said, "This treatment, while not curable, can give people in the early stages of Alzheimer's more time to stay independent and do the things they love. This gives people more months to get to know their spouses, children, and grandchildren." However, the drug is also associated with side effects and requires monitoring through regular imaging of the brain. About 13% of trial participants experienced swelling or bleeding in the brain, which may be higher for certain groups based on their genes or if they are taking blood-thinning medications. The FDA confirms that a written warning is attached to medical description information to alert patients and caregivers to the potential risks of side effects. Health systems are preparing to use the drug more widely. The drug is given intravenously as a continuous dose once every 2 weeks. Injection centers are preparing for a possible increase in the number of new patients.